Sherlock.
Sekarang
Hi guys, so how to drive an automatic SUV car. Insert the key, start. So now the engine is started. So if you want to drive, klaro nila.
Klaro. Klaro. Babaw na
So this is the foot brake, the accelerator or the gas pedal. So when you shift the gear stick, press the foot brake, then shift this to drive, then disengage the handbrake, then guys slowly unpress the brake, and this will run even if you will not press the gas pedal. So if the road is straight and not bumpy or not in an uphill position, your car will run even if you will not press the gas pedal. So see, I did not press any accelerator or gas pedal. So when you try to increase speed, slowly press the gas pedal. So that's it guys. So when you stop, or if you see someone crossing the street, just press the brake slowly. Then if you want to reverse, step down the brake, foot brake, and shift the gear stick. So this is the neutral and the reverse. If you want to reverse for parking purposes, so this rear camera will be shown, so it's much easier to maneuver. So slowly unpress the brake, and this will also run. You want to drive. So guys, for my experience during parking, I'll just stand by my feet in the foot brake pedal. Then if you want to drive forward, again press the brake, the foot brake, then shift the gear stick, then easily press the foot brake, and then this will run. Okay guys, for safety purpose when you're driving. Don't forget to wear or fasten your seat belt. So that's it, guys. Driving an automatic SUV car. So when parking, press the foot brake, then shift the gear stick to park, then engage the handbrake and turn off the engine by switching to counterclockwise. Then you can pull the key, because if you forgot to put the gear stick or transmission gear lever to parking and you wanted you stop the engine, transmission not in park will alarm and you cannot pull out the key. So to pull out, put into parking. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.